The best treatment for dry, flaky skin for pubic area on the female. Okay, so you've got a dry skin on your penis. Now that can either be a dry skin down the shaft, or you can have a dry skin on the gland on the end, which can often lead to the skin cracking open, and that can be extremely painful. Also, you can have like a white, flaky skin. So, and then you scratch it, becomes irritated and itchy, so you can end up with a real unsightly mess on your penis. Not only that, it hurts and it's painful and it's sore. Now, you can also have dry, flaky skin on your scrotum, and unless you get it sorted, it can go between your legs and to your backside. So what's going on? It's very simple to cure and get rid of it. And it's also important that you make sure it doesn't come back. That is also simple. But I just want to explain to you what's going on, what's causing the dry skin, the cracked skin and the cracked foreskin and all of that. Well, it's simple. Your body, including your penis and your eyes and your skin and your legs, everywhere, you're covered in fungus. Tiny, tiny little organisms which are happy to live on your skin, and many of them protect your skin from outside invaders, and everything's fine and it's a happy ecosystem. But what can happen is that your immune system, for whatever reason, gets weakened or confused, whatever you want to call it, and then some fungus starts to take over, especially where your body is warm and damp and dark and there's plenty of food. Well, there's nothing more perfect than your penis. It's warm, it's dark, it's damp, and there's plenty of food, because that food is your penis skin. So it starts to eat your penis skin. At first it's not too bad, it's just slightly itchy. Slightly itchy, and you scratch it, but then left untreated it becomes into a rash. It can go really dry and flaky, as I say, or it can actually start to seep infection. The rash can be open. You can have a series of cracks going up your penis. You can have a series of cracks on the gland on the end of your penis, all caused by a fungus which is out of control. So, first of all, you've got to kill the fungus, and then you've got to kill the fungus and prevent it from coming back. And they're both very simple to do. So first of all, killing the fungus. There's two ways of doing it. One way is not recommended, but that's what most men do, and I'm going to show you that first. So you go to the drugstore or the doctors, and they'll have a look at your penis, or they'll have a look at the dry skin and the flaky skin, and they'll say to you those magic words, two words: no problem. No problem. All you got to do, let's use this fungal eaten banana as an example. They will say, just put this white cream, rub it on to the fungus, and it will kill the fungus. And to be honest, it does give you a bit of relief, because it does kill the fungus a bit. And that is about it. It's a very powerful drug that's in this cream, and it will give you some relief. But usually it's not strong enough. So you've got a battle on your hands, you're putting it on every day, and the rash seems to be working and then disappearing, then coming back, then your skin splits open again and what have you. So it's not strong enough. So you'll end up going back to the doctors or the drugstore and saying, that cream doesn't work. It's then they bring out the big guns. It's a drug. Here's one for an example. They all end in those magic word letters, A-Z-O-L-E, azole. In this particular case, it's fluconazole. And it's a very, very powerful antifungal drug. It'll kill all the fungus in your body. And you think, fantastic, just what I want. You'll get a leaflet with it that talks about all the side effects: damage to your heart, damage to your liver, damage to your blood, breathing problems. You read it, it's in there. But forget all of that. You take this drug. It will kill off the fungus, not just on your penis and on your scrotum and on your backside, which starts to look better after about a week, but it'll kill off all the fungus inside your body. Now you need that fungus. You need it for a healthy digestion, and you've just killed it. So your body's even weaker now. Then it kills off all the fungus on the outside of your body. Well, there's lots of fungus that you need to be healthy, and you've just killed it. So after about 5 or 6 weeks, your penis will look like it looked like 6 weeks ago. It'll be covered in a rash. It'll be covered in flaking skin. It'll be splitting open again. Your foreskin will be splitting because the fungus has come back worse than ever before, and there's nothing to fight it off because you've killed it all. You can see the problem. Now, if you manufacture this stuff, you've got a customer for life. If you manufacture this stuff, you've got a customer for life. You just keep giving them drugs every 3 months. That's the way it works. So how do you get rid of the fungus without damaging your immune system and then stop the fungus from coming back? That's what I'm going to show you now. So many years ago, I was helping clients with this problem, and what we did, we developed a blend of very, very powerful organic plant extracts. Organic, completely natural. Here we go. It's already in the packet to be sent to you in a discreet package, marked urgent. DSP formula, dry skin penis. That's what it's for. Dry skin penis, DSP formula. You would just put a couple of drops. Now let's use this banana as an example. There's a banana covered in fungus. It's a clear oil. It's clear oil. So it looks natural on your penis. It makes the skin of your penis look healthy instantly. But not only that, it kills the fungus on contact. I'll say that again. This stuff kills the fungus on contact. It smells really pleasant and fresh. Your penis and your scrotum, your genitals will smell fresh. This stuff doesn't interfere with your sex life. It kills the fungus on contact. Now, you're listening, you apply that 3 times, morning, noon and night, for 3 days. You'll have gone from that to that. Clean, fungal free after 3 days. And is that it? No. Because if you left it at that, the fungus will come back. So you apply this, just a couple of drops, once a week. Just if there's any spores, fungal spores in the skin, just apply it once a week. You can apply it to your penis, to the gland. It'll stop any cracking of the foreskin, any rash, dry skin, flaky skin, white flakes, all of that's gone. Any between your groin, around your anus, on your scrotum, it's all gone. So you've gone from that to that in 3 days. Now, it also works, if you've got a fungal infection, the chances are your partner may have caught it from you. It doesn't matter, it's the same organism, it's the same fungus. She can use it as well. She doesn't need anything special for her vagina. Again, you just tell her to put a couple of drops on and it works. It's also safe enough to be used on babies' penises. It's safe because you're not damaging your immune system. You give that to a baby, you'll kill it. You don't want to use drugs on your penis. You don't want to be using drugs. You've only got one, look after it. You've only got a set of testicles, look after them. So these plant extracts, they are very strong, but they're not too strong, so they'll kill the fungus, but they'll promote rapid healing of the skin. We'll get your penis looking healthy again, performing well, everything will be fine. There's a guarantee with this remedy because it works. Okay? So there's a link below this video. We can get it sent out to you today in a discreet package. When you've got it, you'll get the leaflet inside giving you the technical details. You know now how to apply it. Just a couple of drops onto the skin 3 times a day. But if there's any questions at all, send me an email, or if you can catch me in the office, leave me a message and I'll get back to you. Leave me a message on the phone, okay? So let's get it sorted. Bye for now.